A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all have enjoyed your Christmas holidays. Now, today we are going to start with chapter number 9, a shooting test in your English prose. This chapter talks about the tale of Arjuna, Duryodhan, Bhim, Nakul, Sadev, and Yudhishthir, who went to the Gurukul to pursue their education, and their teacher was Guru Drona when they all were just little princes. Now when they grown up and the guru thought that their education is about to come to an end, he thought of taking a test. So this chapter will tell you how the test held and what was the outcome. Here there are 10 activities given in your text in this chapter. I have explained each one of them and also have shared the answers in my video. I want all of you to sit with your textbook and the pencil so that wherever you see the answers or you understand something, you can underline it. Okay? And you can fill the answers to the exercises as well. But I would request all of you again not to jump to finish the exercise. First you need to learn the concept. Just to hear a story is not the objective of this chapter. You need to understand what is the story all about. Okay? So let us start the chapter. Activity 1. Activity 1, there are 5 pictures given in activity 1. The question says, identify these sportspersons. They specialize in the rifle shooting and have brought laurels to the country. That means these sportspersons are good, they are expert in rifle shooting and they have won many awards. Okay, you have to name them. The first picture is of a lady wearing a blue cap. Her name is Anjali Bhagwat. The second picture is of Gagan Narang. The third picture is of Abhinav Bindra. The fourth picture is of Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod. And finally, the picture in which the lady is there again is of Lajja Goswami. Okay students, in activity 2, I have shared a YouTube link for you to watch the animation of the story. If I tell you a text, using a textbook, if I tell you the story would be a monotonous one. So this time I have shared the link. You can paste this link or click on the link and go to the story directly. Now this is the story of the test which Guru Drona took of the princes to see whether their concentration is good or not. Okay, and what happened that you will tell me after watching the video. Activity 3. Let us understand the questions and the answers to the chapter. First one. Why does Bhima want to go away? Bhima क्यों चले जाना चाहते थे? Bhima wants to go away because he is very hungry. भीमा क्यों चले जाना चाहते थे? क्योंकि उनको बहुत ज़ोर से भूख लगी थी. Question 2. What does Guru Drona ask the princes to fetch and why? गुरु द्रोणा ने राजकुमारों से क्या लाने को कहा और क्यों? Guru Drona asked the princes to fetch their bows and arrows because he wants to test their shooting. गुरु द्रोणा ने क्या कहा राजकुमारों से कि वो सभी अपने बोज और एरोज लेकर आए क्योंकि वो उनका शूटिंग टेस्ट लेना चाहते हैं। क्वेश्चन 3, व्हाट डज दुर्योधना सी एट द टाइम ऑफ शूटिंग? दुर्योधन ने शूटिंग करने के टाइम पर क्या देखा? दुर्योधना sees the tree, the branch, the bird, the sky, and many other things at the time of shooting. दुर्योधन ने धनुष चलाने के टाइम पर देखा पेड़, ब्रांच, बर्ड, स्काई और बहुत सी बाकी की चीज़ें शूटिंग करने के टाइम पर, धनुष चलाने के टाइम पर। ओके, हु इज़ आस्क्ड टू टेक एन एम आफ्टर दुर्योधना? दुर्योधन के बाद में किसकी बारी थी धनुष चलाने की? सहदेवा इज आस्क्ड टू टेक एन एम आफ्टर दुर्योधना। दुर्योधन के बाद सहदेव की बारी आई धनुष चलाने की। व्हाट इज दुशासना प्राउड ऑफ? इज ही अलाउड टू शूट? दुशासन जो था उसको किस चीज़ का घमंड था? क्या उसे बो एंड एरो चलाने की परमिशन मिली? दुशासन वॉज प्राउड ऑफ हिज गुड आई साइट। दुशासन को बहुत घमंड था कि उसकी आंखें बहुत अच्छी है और वो बहुत अच्छे से एम ले सकते हैं। बट नो, ही इज़ नॉट अलाउड टू शूट। लेकिन उनको बो एंड एरो यूज़ करने की परमिशन नहीं मिली। ही वॉज नॉट अलाउड टू शूट। वॉट मेक्स गुरु द्रोणा सैड? गुरु द्रोणाचार्य जो थे उनको किस बात से वो बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी हो गए? ठीक है, वो क्यों उदास थे? द आंसर्स ऑफ द प्रिंसेस मेक गुरु द्रोणा सैड। जो राजकुमारों के आंसर थे ना तीर चलाने के पहले कि मैं आकाश देख सकता हूँ, मैं सभी भाइयों को देख सकता हूँ, मैं पेड़ को देख सकता हूँ, मैं ब्रांच देख सकता हूँ, तो ये सारी चीज़ें सुनकर या ऐसे आंसर सुनकर जो गुरु द्रोण थे वो बहुत उदास हो गए। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 7th क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ द लास्ट वन टू टेक द टेस्ट? व्हाट डज ही सी? आखिर में किसका नंबर आया और उसने क्या देखा? अर्जुना इज़ द लास्ट वन टू टेक द टेस्ट। अर्जुन जो थे वो आखिर में आए टेस्ट लेने के लिए। ही सीज ओनली द राइट आई ऑफ द बर्ड। वो अर्जुन जो थे उनको सिर्फ चिड़िया की राइट आई ही दिख रही थी और कुछ नहीं दिख रहा था। What does गुरु द्रोणा से अबाउट द टेस्ट? गुरु द्रोणा ने टेस्ट के बारे में क्या कहा? गुरु द्रोणा सेज that it was not just a shooting test but a test to test the power of the prince's concentration. गुरु द्रोणा ने कहा कि ये सिर्फ एक शूटिंग टेस्ट नहीं था, ये टेस्ट था ये देखने के लिए कि जो राजकुमार हैं सारे उन सबका कंसंट्रेशन पावर कैसा है। ओके, हु सक्सीडेड इन द टेस्ट? वाई? कौन टेस्ट में सफल हुआ और क्यों? अर्जुना सक्सीडेड इन द टेस्ट बिकॉज ही कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ओनली ऑन द टारगेट। अर्जुन इस टेस्ट में पास हुए, सफल हुए क्योंकि उनका कंसंट्रेशन कहाँ पर था? वो फोकस थे अपने टारगेट के लिए। ओके, सो दीज आर द आंसर्स टू द क्वेश्चंस गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक। एक्टिविटी 4, स्टडी द फॉलोइंग एंटोनिम्स। एंटोनिम्स मतलब ऑपोजिट्स। यहाँ पर आपको कुछ ऑपोजिट्स दिए गए हैं, जैसे कि फर्स्ट है विजिबल। विजिबल मतलब देखना, जो दिख रहा हो। उसमें अगर हम इन जोड़ देंगे स्टार्टिंग में, इट विल बिकम इनविजिबल। दैट मीन्स जो दिख नहीं सकता, जो अदृश्य है। ऑर्डिनरी। ऑर्डिनरी में व्हेन वी ऐड एक्स्ट्रा एज इट्स प्रीफिक्स, it will become the opposite of ordinary, that is extraordinary. Satisfaction. We need to add dis as a prefix टू सेटिस्फैक्शन, सेटिस्फैक्शन के आगे अगर आप डिस लगा देंगे तो वो बन जाएगा डिससेटिस्फैक्शन, विच इज़ द ऑपोजिट ऑफ satisfaction. Now last one, sense. Sense समझदारी, नॉनसेंस ना समझी. सो सेंस में हम आगे क्या लगा देंगे, नॉन लगा देंगे तो वो बन जाएगा नॉनसेंस. ओके, सो दीज आर सम टाइप्स विच आर गिवन. जस्ट गो थ्रू इट and then we'll do the following exercise. Antonyms are formed by adding the prefixes जैसे कि in, this, extra and non. Now read the following words and form their antonyms by adding the appropriate prefixes. You have to do this exercise in your textbook only. Use pencil. First one, agree. To agree we use prefix dis, dis. So it will become disagree. Active. Active will become inactive. Vegetarian. Vegetarian में हम लगाएंगे non as prefix, so it will become non-vegetarian. Comfort. Comfort we use dis as its prefix and it will become discomfort. Efficient will become inefficient. Violent will become non-violent. Stop will become non-stop. Stick will become non-stick. And capable will become incapable. Activity 5. Quiz champion Ashwini is answering some questions. Her answers are given below. Frame questions for the quiz master by choosing the appropriate question words given in the box. Now there is a blue box given in your textbook in which some words are given, such as how often, how many, what, when, who, from where. Okay, now you have to use the correct word to fill in the blanks to form the correct questions. The first is done for you, that is an example. Dash is the sun. What is the sun? So the answer is a star. Answers are already there. You don't have to do anything with the answer. We have to frame the questions. Dash did Gandhi ji start the Dandi March? डांडी मार्च कहाँ से गांधी जी ने स्टार्ट की थी? सो कहाँ से के लिए वी राइट फ्रॉम वेयर. डैश इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ पाकिस्तान. What is the capital of Pakistan? So we will use what. Dash was the first Indian to go into space. Who is the answer. Who was the first Indian to go into space? How many meters are there in 1 kilometer? So answer is how many. Dash colors are there in the Indian flag. How many again? Dash did India win the first World Cup in cricket? So answer is 1983. Question will be when. When did India win the first World Cup in cricket? Dash are the Olympic Games held? How often is the right answer. Activity 6. In this lesson, you have come across the following expressions. Will, commence soon. Also, we can also read we will commence soon. Second, but what's the test about? What's means what is. Don't shoot or do not shoot. It wasn't just a shooting test. It was not a shooting test. So you can understand that when we want to write in short form, we only merge the words using apostrophe sign. Okay, now let us see in these sentences, the words in bold type are contraction of we will. वी और विल को जोड़ा कैसे, W निकाल दिया विल में से और उसकी जगह पे WNI निकाल दिया और उसकी जगह पे एपोस्ट्रोफी यूज़ करके और क्या लिखा, V''L, that is we will. What is, do not and was not were also written in the contraction form or in the short form. We generally use contractions in speech. Study the contractions of the other words given here. I am becomes I am. We do not call I am again when we are writing in short form. I will, I'll. He is, he would. You are, will not, and so on. Now write the following sentences using contractions. Here you are being given the sentences and you have to write the short form for the same. What is your father? Answer would be, what's your father? Where will you go in the evening? Where'll you go in the evening? And so on. Now let's check the answers. Here are the answers for activity 6, where you are supposed to use the contraction of the words which are left blank. So first answer is what apostrophe is, where apostrophe double L. Third is it apostrophe D, that is it would. I apostrophe double L, that is I will. Let apostrophe S is lettuce. You will not write I don't ka short form, but instead you will write do not ka short form, that is don't. So do N apostrophe T. And seventh answer is doesn't. Does not ka doesn't. Activity 7. Rewrite this passage with appropriate punctuation marks and capital letters. Now this part about the punctuation marks and capital letters we have already finished earlier. Okay, so let us read the paragraph. Which books are yours? Asked Maya. These 3 are mine, said Tarun, and those are John's. Where is mine? Asked Maya. That's yours on the shelf, replied Tarun. No, it's not, said Maya. That's Kokila's. I know it's Kokila's because its cover is torn. Now here in this paragraph you are supposed to use the capital letters for the proper noun and whenever you are starting a sentence. Okay, and if you are using double inverted commas, the first letter will start with the capital. Okay, so this you have to do. Once you are done, you can check the answers which is already given in the video. Activity 8. Complete the following story. There was a fox and a stork. They were very good friends. One day they met and talked. But what we have is an incomplete conversation. Read it carefully and write the missing parts. Now here a story is given to you from where some missing lines are there. You have to fill in the lines. I will be sharing my answers with you, but I would request all of you to write on your own. Okay? Dear friend Stork, why don't you come for dinner to my house? What will Stork say that you have to write? I am sharing my answer with you. Sure, dear Fox, I would love to have dinner with you. Fox, very well. We shall meet tomorrow evening. Stork, yes, we will meet tomorrow evening. I am so excited. The stork reached the house of the fox. He was surprised the meal was served in plates. Now, stork is having a long beak, so it cannot eat from a plate which is flat from bottom. But fox can eat from a plate easily like dog eats from his bowl because he eats from using his tongue. Okay. So what did stork do? Let us read further. Stork, why have you used a plate for me? I will not be able to eat the meal. Fox, oh really? I didn't know. I didn't know that. But this meal is so tasty. I am enjoying myself. The stork went home hungry but did not forget the insult. A few days later, he invited the fox for a meal. Stork. Stork said, "Welcome, my friend. I am waiting for you." Now it was a stork's turn to invite his friend Fox for the meal. And so he was waiting, and Fox readily accepted his invite and went to his home. This time, Stork used the pots to serve the meals. Okay, and he invited his friend, the fox. "Thank you, dear stork. I can smell some tasty food. I am so hungry." Now, this is my answer. You can have your own answer in your own words. Stork said, Here is a delicious meal for you. This is my pot and that one is for you." The fox said, "But I cannot put my mouth in the pot. How will I eat the meal?" Stork said, "I can eat very well from the pot as you could from the plate." So he made his friend understand that when you invited me for the meal at your home, you should have kept a pot for me to eat the meal instead of serving me in the plate. So here this is the answer for activity 8. Activity 9. Fill in the blanks selecting the appropriate words from the box. Here some words are given in the blue box and a paragraph given with the blanks. I am going to read out the paragraph along with my answers, and I want all of you to listen it carefully and fill in the answers in your textbook using your pencil. Nobody is allowed to use pen. So let's start. Don't worry, I will read slowly. I want all of you to listen carefully. Let's start. Ankita liked to visit her grandma's house. She often found many old toys and things there. One day, she found an old box in the attic. She found some old dolls in the box. She also found a rag doll with only one button eye. The doll had a painted nose and a smiling face. Her dress had pretty little flowers all over it. So these are the answers for activity 9. I hope you were all able to fill in the blanks in time. Let's proceed with activity 10. Now this is something that you have to do on your own. You have to imagine that you were a spectator when Guru Drona conducted the shooting test. Write a brief story describing what you saw. Okay, so you have to think that you are the one who is looking at the scene, and whatever you have seen, that you have to write in your notebook. Fine. So this was the end of the chapter. I hope you understood the chapter very well. If no, then you can ask your questions in the comment box and I will try to give all the answers to you. Thank you. Thank you students for watching my video. I hope you all understood the chapter 9, a shooting test, and the story of Arjuna and Guru Drona. If you have any comment or any question or any confusion that you want me to answer, you are free to write in the comment box. I would request all the students, all the viewers who are watching this video to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so my upcoming videos will not get missed by you, and for the same you will get a notification in your mailbox as well as on the YouTube channel. Thank you once again for watching the video.